Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're looking to turn your regular TV into a powerful smart entertainment hub, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the Janmifly R69 PRO set-top box, an Android 14 TV box that promises 8K Ultra HD playback, Wi-Fi 6 speed, Bluetooth 5.0, and a powerful Allwinner H728 chipset. Let's see what this box can really do. The Janmifly R69 PRO is a next-generation Android TV box designed for streaming, gaming, and everyday smart TV use. It supports popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and thousands of Android apps from the Play Store. With its compact design and blue LED digital display, it looks modern and fits perfectly next to any TV setup. At the heart of the R69 PRO is the Allwinner H728 Octa-Core processor built on a 64-bit architecture. This chipset is paired with a Mali G57 GPU, delivering smooth performance whether you're streaming high-resolution videos, multitasking, or running apps. The box runs on Android 14, which means faster system response, better app compatibility, improved security, a cleaner, smoother user interface. Everything loads quickly, menus feel responsive, and everyday navigation is smooth and lag-free. The R69 PRO comes in multiple configurations: 2 GB or 4 GB RAM, 16, 32, or 64 GB internal storage. This flexibility lets you choose the version that fits your needs. You can also expand storage using a USB drive or TF card, so installing apps, storing movies, or saving files is never a problem. One of the biggest highlights is 8K Ultra HD support. If you have a compatible TV, the R69 PRO delivers incredibly sharp detail, vibrant colors, and smooth playback. Even on 4K or Full HD TVs, video upscaling looks excellent. Whether you're watching movies, live TV, or YouTube content, the picture quality is crisp and immersive. Connectivity is where this TV box really shines. You get dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for faster speeds and lower latency, Gigabit Ethernet 1000mm LAN for ultra-stable wired connections, Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless headphones, speakers, keyboards, or game controllers. Streaming high bitrate content is smooth, with minimal buffering even on busy home networks. The R69 PRO includes one USB 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, HDMI output, mirroring, and screencasting support. You can easily cast videos, photos, or apps from your phone or tablet directly to your TV. The blue LED digital display on the front shows time, connection status, and system info, adding both style and practicality. Using the R69 PRO is simple and beginner-friendly. Just plug in the power, connect HDMI, choose Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and you're ready to go. It also supports voice assistant control, letting you search for content, open apps, or control playback using voice commands. No more scrolling endlessly with the remote. So, is the Janmifly R69 PRO worth it? If you want Android 14 performance, 8K Ultra HD playback, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, expandable storage, smooth streaming, and modern design, then the Janmifly R69 PRO set-top box is a solid and future-ready choice for upgrading your TV. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a setup guide or app recommendations for the R69 PRO. See you in the next video.